Hey guys, welcome to Bryson City.
Yeah, North Carolina.
We're here and we're just going to walk around town, maybe have a meal.
Definitely have a meal. We're getting hungry.
Yeah, and show you guys around this beautiful western North Carolina town.
Yes, we love Bryson City.
Yeah, come along with us. It's pretty here, isn't it?
It looks like it has some history.
Tribute. This is the Heritage Museum here. It's really pretty. Look at that.
World War II is right here.
Yep. That's Hotel Everett Bistro. It's Everett and Maine. It's old Bennett Drugs. The old store there, isn't it? Look at this old barber shop. It's closed down, I guess. I don't know, it may still be working. It doesn't look like it. But here's the river. Pretty flowers. Look at that. Pretty out here, isn't it? See, outdoors, gear store and tap room. And we got a truck over there. Yep. You can see Clampett Hardware. It's not open now. So we are headed into Jimmy Mac's since 1974. Okay, what'd you order?
I ordered the grilled chicken with baked potato and a salad.
And I ordered a hamburger, cheddar cheese, and we got an appetizer.
Potato skins.
Potato skins, yeah. Okay, so if you're in Bryson City, we recommend Jimmy Mac's. That was a good meal.
It really was good.
Potato skins were excellent. Good cheese.
Was your burger?
Burger was really good.
And
Yeah.
your onion rings.
Yeah,
your
beer
monster
battered.
onion rings.
They were delicious. Chicken.
My chicken was good. My grilled chicken, baked potato was great, and the salad was really good. You could tell it had homemade croutons on it.
Let's head down the street. That gives you an idea. But good meal here in Bryson City, definitely.
Giant mailbox.
Little library. Turn your books in here. Yeah. So we heard this place was good, but we had some Italian recently. I hear the train coming in or leaving up there. Smith's Dry Goods.
There's Sasquatch.
Yeah. Yeah. Boots. All kinds of things in here, don't they?
Yeah.
It's kind of a western feel to it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Some hats across the city. She's found some other hats over there. So it's kind of a western work clothes kind of place, wasn't it?
It was.
Yeah. On down the street we go. Oh, there's the diner. And check this out. So here's Soda Pop's ice cream parlor.
That looks neat.
Yeah, set up like the 50s. Okay, the historic Calhoun house right there. There's the chocolate shop. Maybe we need to go in there on the way back around. You think? Yes. Test Deli Sweet Shop. I don't know what they got, but check out that. What does that say right there?
Frozen sandwiches, green apple soft serve.
Hot dogs, chili, stuff like that. Okay. Fly shop somewhere around here. Go back in there. Yeah. We'll come back up that side over there and check all that stuff out. There's a loose moose over there.
Mexican restaurants, grills, hotels.
Yep. I think you guys can pause that if you want to. Isn't that neat? Okay, well here's Smoky Mountain Harley Davidson. That's the outpost over there. And this is the yard for the train right over there. We'll walk over here. We have eaten up here.
Yes, we have.
In our last video of Bryson City. I can't remember the name of it. Heavenly Fudge. Whoa.
I think we got the food and we were able to eat out here on the porch on the table.
Yeah, yeah. But I can't remember which one of these it was. I think it was Nate and Nick's. Yeah, it was Nate and Nick's.
Yes,
That's where we ate at.
Uh-huh.
So if you want to see that, back and check our other Bryson City video out.
I think this boutique is calling my name.
Okay, she sees a big boutique, so we will go in.
This is called Personality, but P-U-R-S-E.
Oh, it feels good in here.
It does. Aren't you glad you came here?
Kind of.
These pants are popular with that on the front.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute.
Do you like these purses?
Mm-hmm. Oh, this green one.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Sunglasses, jewelry. So we got some t-shirts and this little pair.
I like this.
You like that?
That's the back.
Yep.
Isn't that cute?
She found some hats in here.
This is a really pretty one.
Blue?
Big on my head, but
It's a pretty good sized hat, isn't it?
yeah, it is.
There's the train. That's Cherokee. That's his system. Cool. Crescent. Well, did you get a hat?
I did. I got them burgundy one.
Okay.
Or the kind of a wine color.
Yeah, and that was, where was the name of that?
Personality, P-U-R-S-E.
There's some in these bikes.
Boxcar Cafe and Coke, that sounds good.
Yeah. Yeah. I know sometimes they have music and stuff out here, I think. And the gift shop and the train museum is on straight down through there. Let's see where we're at. There's beef jerky.
There's American Indian Trading Company.
Okay.
Here's the Boxcar Cafe and Coke.
Yeah. The Great Smoky Mountain Railroad Gift Shop and Train Museum. And over here is Uncle Bunky's Christmas Cottage. I remember last time you wrote our name on that chalkboard over there.
I wrote Fridays Forever.
Yeah, I remember that. I remember this shop. It was really neat.
Wow.
These bears. welcome. Lamps. Barely awake. Salt, pepper shakers.
Here's one I hadn't seen before.
Mama Bear with
Carrying one with her mouth.
yeah. More bears over here. Bear country. Just looking to see if anything's changed. All the stuff they have in here. Alright. Games and things like that over here for the kiddos, right? Pretty much your average gift shop.
Yeah, they've even got ball caps with the t-shirt in.
Yeah, they do right there. A big one. I like that. It's sturdy when you set it down. Okay, you ready?
There's a Dodson.
Yeah. So this is the Nantahala excursion here, obviously. We tried to book one of the trains for tomorrow, which would be a Sunday, and called like 2 or 3 times. They put us on hold, and then they took messages, and they said, we're going to pass you through. All we wanted to make sure is that we could video, you know, on the train ride, but nobody ever got back to us. We wanted to show that to you guys, so maybe we'll get through at some point and get all that information situated, and we can take one of the rides and bring you guys along. I think that'd be fun.
It would be fun.
Yeah. It's the Carolina Shine right there. You ready? You got your hat, you're ready to go, aren't you?
No, I'm gonna walk up.
Okay. So this says mainline Rio Grande through the Rockies. I don't know if this car, if you all know, if that particular car was attached to the Rockies at some point. Let us know if you know. Here comes the other train, way down there. I can see it coming. SMR. Got big old blue in there. They're closed. I mean, we checked one more time here before we left, and I know you can go online, and I have. And one of our main goals is to share this content with you guys, and so, because we know some of you will never be able to come to Bryson City and walk the streets, and so we're here, and we're glad you guys came along.
Yes, thanks for coming along.
Yeah, well, the sun is warm, the evening sun here. Right, I think we went in the Harley shop last time, so we'll skip it. We got to find this candy store, chocolate shop, you know it?
Yeah.
Loose Moose.
There are a lot of t-shirts in there.
Yeah, you want to go check it out? Well, this is a t-shirt heaven, isn't it?
Mountain Paradise Life's better.
I mean, look at this.
Here, I guess they're on the wall.
I've got some of those big white wind chimes in here too. There's hats. I think they're all around here. As you can see, hoodies and different things there. What did you find?
They have
Yeah.
Bryson City.
This gives you an idea of everything, even Christmas stuff they've got in here. And they got some stuff here for the kids. T-shirts and hoodies. So getting geared up for the fall and winter.
Yeah.
I did get me a little sweatshirt there.
Yeah, and the Loose Moose.
I think it was. Yep.
Yeah. Consignment and gifts.
Okay. Secondhand rose, yep. There's bunkies on Everett. T-shirts, jewelry, and gifts. I can show you something sweet. This is a Honey Bear's cupcake, cupcakery, and more. Ice cream, chocolates, fudges, caramel apples, pralines, sugar-free. Maybe they have some of that ice cream like you like. It does look good, don't it? Don't tell Mom we were here unless we get her praline. You know what? Oh wow, look at all that chocolate. That looks good.
Thank you. What do you need?
So here's some of the flavors you can see there. Chip. On a hot day like today, that sure sounds good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Just keeps on going down through there.
There's one called Garbage Can.
So it's got everything? Okay, so we're sampling some, right?
Yes.
Dreamsicle and chocolate.
I'm not sampling the chocolate.
You won't even taste it?
No.
Well, I'm going to taste the Dreamsicle.
Oh, well, no, because you love Dreamsicle and chocolate.
So they do have pralines in here. Caramel apples, fudge.
Alright. Just 2 ice creams. 2.
Here's Everett Street Diner.
Yep, we need to go to the other side of the street and enjoy some ice cream.
In the shade.
Yeah. So let's taste that really quick here. Look, check this dude out. Huh.
Hey.
Dreamsicle.
I love Dreamsicle. I love Dreamsicles when I was a kid.
It's hot out here. That's good. It's chocolate. That's good. I hear somebody playing some music over here. Somewhere. I don't know where. There's a bench over there. You want to see if we can get to it? We are going to sit down here and enjoy some ice cream. Karen, where's our umbrella?
I left it somewhere.
Well, we're gonna go. You got excited over that hat.
I think
and
I
you
leaned
left
it.
the umbrella there.
I leaned it against that dressing room where I was looking in the
We better
mirror.
go get it. Look back there. It's not looking too promising.
So we need an umbrella.
That guy's over there. Can't see him from here. The tap room, singing his heart out, isn't he? Well, look at there.
It was right where I left it. Trying on hats.
So the hat took our umbrella away, but
Yeah. I remembered where it was.
you went and got it. Awesome. You ready?
Yep. Hey guys, thanks for joining us on this little tour of Bryson City, North Carolina.
Yeah, we had some fun. Walk around the shops and hopefully give you some ideas. They should come and visit.
We had dinner at Jimmy Mac's. We had ice cream. That was a real treat. Bought a couple of things. I mean, I got a hat. That's the most important thing.
The peaceful side of the Smokies over here, and it really is. We enjoyed it, and we think you guys would too.
Yes, so fun place to visit. Thanks for coming on this adventure with us.
Yep. Until next time, we're Fridays.
Forever.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Nothing better. With the one you love, here, street, Bryson City, ice cream.
That's right.
Yeah, so we're gonna enjoy it here. I've been serenaded with some guy with his guitar playing on the rooftop deck at the tap room.
Cheers.
Cheers.